Are you prepared for the unexpected? Imagine the world going dark. No power, no shops, no running water. In life and in the wild, the only certainty is uncertainty. Survival isn't about fear, it's about readiness. Today we're building your ultimate survival pantry. 8 essential canned goods for any emergency. These aren't just tins. They're your lifeline when everything else fails. A well-stocked pantry is your fortress of resilience, giving you peace of mind and the ability to focus on what matters most. We'll break down the must-haves. High-energy, nutrient-dense foods that keep you going when it counts. Grab a notepad. Your survival journey starts now. First up, canned beans. A cornerstone of any well-prepared pantry, especially when you're thinking about long-term storage and survival situations. They're incredibly versatile, surprisingly delicious, and packed with nutrients that can keep you going when other food sources are scarce. Kidney, black, chickpeas, these are the workhorses of your survival pantry. They're reliable, readily available, and require absolutely no refrigeration until opened, making them ideal for situations where power might be unreliable. Beans deliver plant-based protein for muscle repair and strength, which is crucial when you're working hard to stay safe. When you're exerting yourself physically, protein becomes even more essential for recovery and maintaining your energy levels. Their high fiber content keeps you full and your digestion on track, which is a huge mental and physical boost in tough times. A healthy gut contributes significantly to overall well-being, impacting everything from your mood to your immune system. Beans provide slow-release energy, not a quick sugar rush, so you stay fueled for hours. This sustained energy is vital when you need to maintain focus and physical stamina over extended periods. Eat them cold or hot, straight from the can, or mixed with other pantry staples. They're versatile and comforting. They can be added to soups, stews, salads, or simply enjoyed on their own. Stock a variety, kidney, pinto, black, cannellini, to avoid flavor fatigue and get a range of nutrients. Each type of bean offers a slightly different nutritional profile, ensuring you're getting a well-rounded intake of vitamins and minerals. Beans are cheap, last for years, and are nutritionally dense, a solid foundation for your food supply. They provide essential nutrients, calories, and fiber, all in one convenient package. Don't underestimate them. Each can is a compact brick of energy and resilience. They're a small investment that can pay off big time when you need them most. Make beans the cornerstone of your survival pantry. They're not just a side dish, they're a survival essential. Next, let's consider the incredible benefits of canned fish, specifically tuna. This unassuming pantry staple is a powerhouse of nutrition, ready to serve you when you need it most. We're talking about a readily available source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients that can make a real difference in a survival situation. Think of it as your reliable, shelf-stable ally, or perhaps salmon is more to your liking. Both are excellent choices, each offering a unique set of advantages. Salmon in particular is celebrated for its rich omega-3 fatty acid content, a vital nutrient for overall health and well-being. This is your high-grade fuel, a concentrated source of energy and vital nutrients packed into a convenient, easy-to-store can. Don't underestimate the power of these humble provisions. They are designed to keep you going when resources are scarce and energy is at a premium. Canned fish delivers lean protein, crucial for maintaining muscle mass and supporting bodily functions during times of stress or physical exertion. Protein is the building block of the body, and having a readily available source is essential for survival. And essential omega-3s, those healthy fats that play a critical role in brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular function. These are the kinds of nutrients that can help you stay resilient and perform at your best. Supporting brain function and mental clarity under stress. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to enhance cognitive performance, improve focus, and promote a sense of calm, all of which are invaluable assets when facing challenging situations. In a crisis, a clear head is your best weapon. The ability to think rationally, make sound judgments, and stay focused under pressure can be the difference between success and failure. Canned fish helps you maintain that mental edge. These tins last for years, are lightweight, making them easy to transport and store, and require minimal space in your survival kit or emergency stockpile. Their durability ensures that you'll have a reliable food source when you need it most, and require no cooking, just open and eat. This is a huge advantage in a survival scenario where fuel may be limited or unavailable. The convenience of canned fish makes it a practical and efficient choice. The protein helps your muscles recover after hard work, reducing soreness and fatigue, and allowing you to maintain your physical strength and endurance. This is especially important when you're relying on your body to perform demanding tasks. And the omega-3s keep your mind sharp, improving cognitive function, memory, and overall mental performance. A well-nourished brain is essential for problem-solving, decision-making, and staying alert in challenging environments. Mix with beans, pasta, rice, or vegetables to create a more substantial and balanced meal. Canned fish is incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, adding flavor and nutritional value, or eat alone for a morale-boosting meal. Sometimes, a simple, satisfying meal is all you need to lift your spirits and keep you going. Canned fish can provide that comfort and nourishment when you need it most. Canned salmon with bones adds calcium and vitamin D, key for bone health, especially if you're stuck indoors. Vitamin D deficiency is a common concern, particularly during times of limited sunlight exposure. Canned salmon with bones provides a natural and convenient way to boost your vitamin D intake. Stock both tuna and salmon to provide variety in your diet and ensure you're getting a range of essential nutrients. Different types of fish offer different nutritional profiles, so having both on hand can help you meet your dietary needs more effectively for a compact, nutrient-dense source of protein and essential fats. These are the building blocks of a resilient body and a sharp mind, providing the fuel you need to overcome challenges and thrive in demanding circumstances. Protect your most important survival tool, your brain. Nourish it with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best, and you'll be well equipped to face whatever challenges come your way. Canned fish is a simple yet powerful way to support your cognitive health and enhance your survival capabilities. Protein and energy are vital for sustaining life, providing the fuel your body needs to function. But while these macronutrients are essential, your body needs more than just protein and energy to truly thrive. It requires a complex array of micronutrients to support all of its intricate processes. That's where canned vegetables come in, offering a convenient and accessible way to bridge the nutritional gap. They stand ready to provide a wealth of essential vitamins and minerals. Consider the classics: corn, peas. These humble staples are packed with nutrients. Green beans, carrots. Each can is a powerhouse of goodness, ready to be unleashed. These readily available options are your main source of essential vitamins and minerals, crucial for maintaining optimal health and well-being. They are shelf-stable, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Vitamin A, for example, is vital for maintaining healthy vision, ensuring you can see the world clearly. And vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports a strong immune system, helping your body fight off illness and infection. These nutrients work synergistically to keep your body running smoothly and your defenses strong, ensuring you have the energy and resilience to tackle whatever life throws your way. Beyond vitamins, canned veggies add fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion, promoting regularity and preventing digestive discomfort. They also add variety to your meals, transforming mundane dishes into culinary delights, boosting morale and ensuring you receive a well-rounded nutritional profile. Eat them cold, straight from the can for a quick and refreshing snack, or heat them up on the stovetop or in the microwave for a warm and comforting side dish. You can also mix them into soups and stews, adding depth of flavor and a boost of nutrients for a balanced and satisfying meal. And here's a pro tip: don't waste the liquid. It's packed with water-soluble vitamins that leach out of the vegetables during the canning process and can be used as a flavorful and nutritious broth for soups, sauces, or even for cooking grains. Stock a mix of your favorite canned vegetables. Think about the basics: corn, peas, carrots, and don't forget the leafy greens like spinach and convenient mixed vegetable blends. This ensures you have a broad spectrum of nutrients readily available to support your overall health and well-being. Canned vegetables are your reliable defense against nutritional deficiencies, providing a consistent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating them into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards achieving long-term health and vitality, ensuring you can live your life to the fullest. Canned fruits, peaches, pears, pineapple, are essential for both fuel and morale. In a long emergency, a taste of sweetness can lift spirits and break the monotony. Fruits provide quick energy from natural sugars and a vital dose of vitamin C to keep your immune system strong. The juice or syrup offers hydration and a welcome change from plain water. No prep needed, just open and serve, making them perfect for kids, the elderly, or anyone needing comfort. Stock a variety for different flavors and textures, preventing palate fatigue. Canned fruits are more than dessert. They're fast energy, a vitamin boost, and a powerful morale lifter. Don't forget canned chicken or turkey, your alternative protein source. Lean, mild, and versatile, canned poultry is perfect for mixing into soups, pasta, or salads. It's pre-cooked, safe to eat straight from the can, and helps you create balanced, filling meals. Lean protein keeps you strong and agile, not weighed down. Combining chicken with veggies and beans gives you a complete, efficient meal. Meals that feel familiar restore comfort and control, crucial in a crisis. Stock chicken or turkey packed in water for flexibility and nutrition. Sometimes you need a hot, nourishing meal, fast. Enter canned soup or stew. These are complete meals, protein, veggies, carbs, and hydrating broth in one can. Just heat and eat. No energy wasted on meal prep. The variety, beef stew, chicken noodle, lentil, keeps nutrition balanced and meals interesting. The broth hydrates and replenishes electrolytes, especially important if water is scarce. Use soups as a base to stretch other ingredients and create bigger meals. A hot can of stew can be the comfort that keeps you going. For long-lasting energy, stock canned pasta or chili. These calorie-dense meals combine complex carbs and protein for sustained fuel. Pasta and beans provide slow-release energy, meat adds protein for muscle repair and satiety. Chili is a survival superfood, beans, meat, tomatoes, and spices for flavor and nutrition. These meals are quick to heat, easy to serve, and comforting. A taste of normality in tough times. Stock up on varieties with meat for extra protein. Canned pasta and chili are your endurance fuel for hard days. Don't overlook canned milk, evaporated or sweetened, condensed. It's your shelf-stable dairy solution, rich in calcium and often fortified with vitamin D. Essential for kids and the elderly, it helps maintain bone health and overall nutrition. Reconstitute with water for drinking or use in cooking to add creaminess and calories. A splash in coffee or tea is a morale booster. A warm drink for kids brings comfort. Sweetened condensed milk is a high-energy treat for quick calories and morale. Canned milk lasts for years and transforms basic meals into something nourishing and familiar. There you have it, 8 essential canned goods for a rock-solid survival pantry. Beans, fish, vegetables, fruits, chicken, soups, chili, and milk. Each plays a vital role in your resilience. Preparedness isn't fear, it's peace of mind and control in uncertain times. Start building your pantry today. Every can is a step toward security. What's your must-have canned food? Share in the comments below. By sharing knowledge, we all get stronger. Thanks for watching. Now take that first step. Stay safe, stay ready, stay